And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is go to Google and search for Google Forms. Go ahead and search for that. Go ahead and search that into Google, and then you might have to sign into your Google account. Select sign in, and then if you're already signed into Google Docs, you can also select the hamburger icon at the top left to access the main menu, and then just select forms. And then once you're here, there should be something that says blank form. Go ahead and select that. This is if you just want to begin formatting a blank template here. However, you can select from one of the templates already underneath the template gallery, and you can explore them and select one of them if you want to start a template with that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.